My brothers and sisters in Islam, sometimes the calamity prolongs. It goes for a very long time. And relief is extremely delayed. And so what is the wisdom for why Allah Azza wa Jal does this to slaves of His? Ibn Rajab rahimahullah, he mentions from among many wisdoms, one beautiful wisdom, and he says that the calamity, it prolongs so that a person, a believer, can continue to lose hope in people that he was depending on for relief and help. Allahu Akbar. So when this calamity extends, it goes on for 1 year, and then you say, you know what? I was relying on this person to help me. I give up. He's not doing anything. Actually, he can't do anything. You look at another person. I relied on him to help me. I give up. He can't do anything. And a third person, I give up. And a fourth person, I give up on him. I give up on him. I give up on her. Until a person reaches a moment in where he genuinely acknowledges and realizes that no one could do anything for him except Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. When this meaning reaches your heart, that is the time in where relief bi-idhnillah would come from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Idhan, one of the main wisdoms for why a calamity prolongs and relief is delayed is so that you continue losing hope in people and realizing that it is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the only one who was going to get you out of your situation and bring you that much needed relief you needed in your life. Wallahu a'lam. So don't lose hope and understand that this is Allah Azza wa Jalla's love for His servant. He wants them to detach from everything and everyone and fill this heart with tawakkul ala Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, with 100% complete reliance upon Allah Azza wa Jal and no one else. Allahu Akbar. Let's live this meaning during your calamity. And the quicker you get to this meaning, bi-idhnillah, relief is on its way. Allahu a'lam.